Today we are going to make khus syrup, and for this we will need the following ingredients: sugar 1 kg, hari elaichi powder half a teaspoon, green color food grade 1 teaspoon, khus essence 6 teaspoons, and water 1.5 liters. To the sugar, add the water and the cardamom powder. Keep on high heat and keep stirring till all the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, simmer the sugar water till it turns into a syrup of one thread consistency. Once the syrup is ready, cover it and let it cool down. Now strain it out. Add khus essence and food grade green color. Stir it well and store in an airtight bottle in the fridge. Add as much as you need to a glass of chilled water and enjoy a cool drink. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and do try this recipe. Thank you.